5 uses of Web 3.0 which can disrupt consumer internet landscape. What is Web 3.0? Is Web 3.0 better than Web 2.0? Well, my answer is yes. Web 3.0, also known as the third generation internet, is the next evolution of the World Wide Web. It provides a data-driven, semantic web, employing a machine-based understanding of data with the objective of developing a more intelligent and connected web experience for users. So, is there anything related to crypto? Yes. But first, tell me, what do you guys know about Web 2.0? Comment down if you know the answer. So welcome to the Techverse, you all. We are back with another interesting video. Here today, we're going to tell you about Web 3.0, the new technology which can disrupt consumer internet landscape. Now, let's get into the video right away. The web of today is static and unable to adjust to the individual needs of each person experiencing it. Web 3.0 promises to be more dynamic and interactive. Implementing artificial intelligence and blockchain technology will redefine the web experience with structural changes to ensure democratization across all aspects of the internet. In Web 3.0, data is stored securely and distributed across many devices, removing the need for centralized servers. Such a design also reduces the risks of massive data leaks because data is no longer centrally stored, making it more resilient to compromise. How Web 3.0 can change our lives. These features bring us closer to a Web 3.0 definition. With the addition of semantics and machine learning, Web 3.0 is an evolution in which computers can understand the meaning behind information. They can learn what you are interested in, help find what you want faster, and understand the relationship between things. In Web 3.0, while driving, you can ask your automotive assistant a question. I would like to watch a romantic movie and eat Japanese food. The search engine embedded in the car assistant provides you with a personalized response that considers your location, suggesting the closest cinema that matches your request, and a good Japanese restaurant by automatically consulting the reviews on social media. Then it might even present a 3D menu from the restaurant on the display. Now, think about this. Computers will be able to interpret people's words in any manner that produces results fast and correctly in Web 3.0. Isn't this amazing? What do you think? Let me know in the comments section below. Web 3.0 is no longer a dream, but a reality, at least in many cases. In fact, it is cognitive technology like that of expert AI that is making this all possible. Understanding language is integral to so many facets of the web. By making semantics and natural language processing central components to it, the possibilities are endless. What is Web 3.0? Gavin James Wood, a British computer scientist, co-founded the Ethereum blockchain. He was the one who coined the term Web 3.0 in 2014 and has since left Ethereum and created his own foundation called Web3 Foundation. He said that the future of the internet is decentralization, which means that all data, whether financial, social, artistic, or otherwise, will be stored on the blockchain and the public in general would be owner. In an interview with Wired, Wood said that today's Web 2.0 applications are based on the user's trust in the system. This basically means that the user trusts the owner of the respective app to use their data responsibly. But in blockchain-based Web 3.0 applications, or dApps, all data will be stored on the public ledger of the respective blockchain, which anyone can check. Thus, data decentralization, data security, blockchain, and user-centric applications are central to Web 3.0 of internet technology. Web 3.0 can also be a bridge between consumers and businesses. Guys, wait! Now just think about this. The biggest problem with Web 3.0 is that integrated data is very easy to get, because only one account will have all of your personal and sensitive information. A cyber criminal could potentially be able to control your whole life if they get into it. What do you think? According to Manish Agarwal, CEO of Nazara Technologies, a games and technology company, immersive and meaningful engagement in mixed reality experiences is what Web 3.0 virtual worlds like the metaverse would mean for consumers. Post-pandemic, consumer attitudes have also become more receptive to new virtual experiences. Additionally, the metaverse would prioritize socialization and collaboration between brands and consumers, meaning consumers would be able to provide input at every stage of the process, from ideation to final product, in a way efficient. So now let's have a look at the top 5 popular uses of Web 3.0. NFT. Non-fungible tokens are nothing but a unique locked token of the native token of a particular crypto blockchain. Any type of data can be stored as NFT, including, but not limited to, art, music, autographs, movies, home ownership records, and others. Currently, the most popular crypto blockchain for NFTs is Ethereum, followed by Solana. Data on NFT is non-fungible, which means that it cannot be reproduced by anyone else. People can see it, share it, and trade it, but they can't reproduce it. Metaverse. This technology allows people to interact with each other and with brands using virtual 3D avatars in a virtual animated world. Think of it as a replica of the natural world, but with subtle differences. For example, Manchester City FC recently unveiled plans to build their Etihad Stadium replica in the world of the metaverse. This would allow their fans who would otherwise not be able to travel to Manchester to watch a live football match in 3D. Additionally, many brands, fashion brands, and others are exploring opportunities in the metaverse world. If consumers are starting to spend more and more time in the virtual world, it makes sense for brands to also make their presence felt and find ways to meet and connect with their consumers. One of the most significant benefits of interacting with metaverse consumers is the ability to bring imaginations to life in a digital world powered by AR, VR, and personalization with avatars. Any type of experience can be created and replicated by brands in metaverse, which is not governed by the laws of physics, adds Gupta. Decentralized game, or GameFi. Decentralized gaming is nothing but a game where all data is stored on a blockchain, and users who play the game will vote on its features. For example, in the game Axel Infinity, players can earn AX crypto tokens for completing certain tasks, and then they can stake that, i.e., lock them in for voting rights. There can be many decisions, including but not limited to game mechanics, game graphics, content, and others, where players can vote using their staked AX token. Thus, the Web 3.0 gaming experience will be primarily consumer-centric, and the focus will be on using the game as a service and not as a standalone product. Decentralized finance, or DeFi. Decentralized finance is a protocol in which users can lend or borrow money, both crypto and fiat currency, to earn income. The only difference between a centralized financial institution like banks and others and decentralized financial institutions like YFI, AVAX, AAVE, and others is that the whole operation takes place using smart contracts and on the blockchain. Decentralized sciences. Although the pandemic is now mostly over, but back when it started, scientists and researchers were working hard to find a vaccine for COVID-19. Thus, the researchers used the blockchain to store and classify large amounts of data relating to the virus's DNA genome sequencing and other technical data. Apart from this, vaccine supply and logistics have also been managed in some parts of the world using blockchain technology so that the counterfeit vaccines do not circulate and/or genuine vaccines do not end up being wasted. Since all the data is available transparently and securely, DESC, or Decentralized Sciences, is a part of the new generation of the Internet, that is to say, Web 3.0. The communication business will be greatly impacted by Web 3.0. While technology has already had a significant impact on our lives, we can anticipate it to further blur the lines between the real and virtual worlds, opening up unlimited opportunities for consumer brand interactions. The longer businesses and public relations firms wait to adapt to spatial web technologies, the sooner they will lose relevance in this ever-changing world. Web 3.0 isn't a passing fad, it's the new reality that's here to stay. PR firms that embrace these technologies may assist their customers in gaining a first-mover advantage. So, this was all about this video. I hope you like the information given in the video. If you have anything on your mind, feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos just like this. Also, hit that bell icon to get the notification of the latest updates on the channel. And thanks for watching!